Hello little fruit friends, are you ready to wiggle, jump, spin and dance with some yummy fruits? Stand up, stretch up high, let's get fruity!
Wiggle, wiggle, watermelon, big and round, so sweet. Wiggle left, wiggle right, move your happy feet. Juicy, juicy, splashy fun, shining in the summer sun. Jumpy grapes go bounce, 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 up into the sky. Tiny hops, happy pops, reaching way up high. Bounce together, 1, 2, 3, jump along with me. Banana bends from side to side like a rainbow in the sky. Lean to the left, lean to the right, smile so big and bright. Round apple says clap with me, happy as can be. Clap up high, clap down low, clap so everyone will know. Twirly strawberries, round we go, round and round, nice and slow. Spin once, spin twice, hold your balance, oh so nice. Mango gives a great big hug, warm and sweet, so full of love. Hug yourself, squeeze so tight, everything feels just right. Stomp, stomp, pineapple feet, moving to a tropical beat. One big stomp, two big stomps, everybody never stops. Round and round, orange rolls, happy little citrus soul. Roll your hands round and round, smile without a sound. Wiggle like a watermelon, shake like juicy jelly. Jump like grapes that bounce around, spin so bright and merry. Bend like bananas, clap with apples, twirl like strawberries too. Stomp with pineapples, roll with oranges, healthy fruits for you. Munch, what? Crunch, what? Chomp, sit, yum, yum. Fruits are colorful, fruits are sweet, healthy snacks are fun to eat.
Fantastic dancing, little fruit friends. Today we wiggled, jumped, clapped, spun, stomped and rolled with our fruity friends. Which fruit is your favorite? Keep eating colorful fruits. Keep moving and keep smiling. See you at the next fun fiesta. Bye-bye.